Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel मैं और English. Today is day 5 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I am going to talk about a skill I want to learn. So first let me talk about what skill I want to learn. So I want to learn speak fluently in English. This skill I want to learn. So first of all, we understand that why English is important. English is a global language. It can be easily understandable in any country, and English is a language which is used to communicate anything in the world, and this is a very widely used language in the world, because in English everyone can understand what you want to talk, what you want to communicate with each other. If you see, in India there are too many languages, and if you go to any specific region, then you can't talk to them with Hindi language, because they might be not understand what are you talking. So for that you need English, because they also understand English. For that you have to learn English. So that's why I want to learn English. And for learning this skill, I take a challenge of 30-day English speaking challenge. In this challenge I will talk at least 1 minute at a topic. In this challenge I don't edit my recorded video. I'll talk I'll speak English wrong or right, doesn't matter. I have to speak at least 1 minute and record it, and after that upload it on YouTube. And today is day 5. From previous 5 days I record myself talking with, and that means speaking English at least 1 minute, and upload it on YouTube. And I feel good to record my video, and I think I I can achieve my goal with the help of this technique. And I also reading books 1 or 2 pages at least per day, so that my reading skills get my reading skill is improving, and as well as my speaking skill is improving day by day. Now I hope so that I can follow my journey. And if you are learning and are and you are looking for any partner to speak with you, then you can contact me, or you can comment. I can reach out to you for practice with each other. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching my videos. See you tomorrow in day 6. Thank you.